Equation of a circle on the coordinate axis. For a circle with center at hk and radius r, the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here is a graphical representation. You see the center is at hk, so x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius square. One more example. In this case, the center is at 5, 7. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x minus 5 square plus y minus 7 square is equal to radius square, where the radius is 7. One more example. The center is at 2, 3. The radius is 5. Therefore, the equation turns out to be x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to 5 square, which is 25. Look at this last example. Here, the center is at the origin and the radius is 2. Therefore, the equation turns out to be x minus 0 squared plus y squared is equal to 2 square. Therefore, whenever you find the equation of a circle on the lines of x square plus y square is equal to something, it means that the circle in question has its center at the origin. Please pause the video and solve this problem. The equation is given as x minus 3 squared plus 5 plus 4 squared is equal to 3 squared. That means the center of the circle is at 3, minus 4 and the radius of the circle is 3. That's why we are getting x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared, making it y plus 4 squared is equal to 3 squared, which is 9. On the coordinate axis, 3, minus 4 lies here, and if the radius is 3, this is what the circle would roughly look like. You don't really need to draw the circle here. The question is about the distance between the origin and the center. So all you need is the center of the circle. Origin we know is 0, 0. The center of the circle is 3, minus 4. So using the distance formula, we can find the distance between the 2 points. It turns out to be 5. That's the required answer. Please pause the video and solve this question. 1, 1 lies here and 5, 5 lies here. This diameter would pass through 3, 3. Therefore, equation of the circle is on the lines of x minus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to radius square. Now we need to find the radius. The diameter can be comfortably found using the distance formula. For the distance between these 2 points, this is square root 32. However, please understand that this value represents the diameter. The value of root 32 is 4 root 2. Therefore, the radius is half of it. Therefore, 2 root 2 is the required radius. Therefore, the required equation is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to radius squared, which is 2 root 2 squared, and therefore 8. This is the required equation.